Hello?
Yes, hello. You're on the air.
Hello. I just wanted to say that when we're considering the rhetoric being thrown around, the rats are violent by nature, or vermin.
And you are talking about the people known as the rats, right? Not actual rats.
Yes, of course. What I mean is, we need to be aware of how society has become split, polarized across the whole culture, right?
Okay.
Well, when you consider the rats' anger, inequality, and their distrust of elites, you have to see it runs both ways.
So, what do you suggest?
All I'm saying is, if we're going to escape this paralysis, then they need our understanding, not incarceration.
Thank you for your call. See, from what I understand, it sounds like a lot of these rats actually want to.
See, that's what I'm talking about. That Batman's a total hypocrite. He's all on my ass about putting the fear of God into one of those rat pieces of shit, and then he turns around and kills me.
When does the bat kill?
No more Batman. I'll drink to that.
Freeze! Police!
Hands up! It was a rubber bullet. You'll be fine.
Due process, goddammit! Due process! Hutch, Pettit, what are you doing? We're better than this. God, has this whole city lost its mind? Give me your name.
It's Malone.
Congratulations, Malone. You're going to Blackgate Prison.
Reporting live from the streets of Gotham, where tonight's 4th of July celebrations are marred by shocking violence. Police continue to search for the elusive Rat King, an unidentified terrorist leader whose followers have brought our city to the brink of destruction.
Alfred, what's the situation?
Quite the rat infestation, sir. GCPD sent a squad to flush them out, but the police have gone silent.
Alfred, add this to your schematics of the sewers. The rats marked the locations of their hostages.
Yes, sir. Check your map.
Bet that cop boat handles like a brick.
Long as it don't float like one.
Bet they got flare guns, too.
Let's show the harbor a happy 4th of July.
It's the bat!
Lock it down!
Let me in first. Try and get past this.
Don't jinx it. Tell the boys to kill those cops quick. The bat's here. Our king speaks.
Started?
This is high pride. Hold still. Watch this.
Nesting this close to the docks. Bold.
Reckless. It's like they want to get caught.
Plans show a duct connects to the pump. Check the walls. Or follow your nose.
I'll look for the vent.
Gotham has a warehouse in the cauldron full of these grates. It seems the city budgets for quantity over quality.
Oh, the smell.
The rats can outreak even Gotham sewage. Impressive.
manifesto. It's too wide to jump, but I can glide across with my cape. Rat King propaganda.
Knocking down our bridge is a good idea.
We follow our king forward, not backward. Gotham's civil engineers thank you for their job security. How come we got no heads up about the bat?
The Bat don't exactly work with the cops.
But ain't they on the same side? Gordon and the Bat, maybe. Everyone else? Hell no.
Found you.
Fly away, freak! We'll clip those wings and make you one of us! I live the game! Fly away, freak! The bat is blind! The Rat King sees all! We'll clip those... Our king demands the bat dies tonight! Tell me if this hurts. Bat!
I'm gonna give Batman 5 more minutes to shoot.
What the hell? He's here!
I'll destroy any radios I find. Cops can get back to the boat. Once they're not this way, I'm turned around. I need to rescue the hostages. I have to hurry.
We come from nothing, have nothing, so we fear nothing. The police, on the other hand, have everything to fear, as they have so much to lose. Gotham's war chest is a trough in these greedy piggies. The Batman, a rat with wings, a cop with a cape. Commune.
Another takes his place.
Leave the body of the man by attacking those who have nothing. You accomplish nothing. You punch down. We rise up.
Thanks, Batman. Threats to 2 other guys further down. Good officers.
What are their names?
Pettit and Marks. Can't miss them. Pettit has enough attitude for all the rats combined.
I'll find them.
Thanks. Take care of these guys. You go find the rest. Thank you, Batman. Really saved me.
The Rat King's signal is strong enough to reach down here.
All manner of refuse runs through Gotham sewers. I'll triangulate the source.
Johnny's got the cops 1 level up. Hope he shoots the loudmouth first. On your toes. How are we getting out of here anyway? Hey, on your feet!
We are the Rat Kings! Conflict is my compass. Fight back! Free me from this cage! Trash! We'll clip those wings and make them!
I need to find those hostages. That rat said they're 1 level up.
Like you didn't have to kill Marks! That wasn't me! Who ordered you to do it? Orders from your king? I told you that wasn't me, man! You were another rat! What's the difference?
To use detective vision. Stay down.
Didn't get your last message. Please respond.
Whoever's hearing this, they're everywhere. They trashed the Bowery, still looting, streets are lost. I'm pulling out. Who's this leaving on foot?
I have to get to the Bowery, now.
These plans for the old Gotham sewers show a path that leads... well, it doesn't say. But it's up.
These catacombs must predate the Bowery by 100 years.
Gotham's always rebuilt quickly after its disasters. Perhaps we built over more than we know.
Looks like the rats have made a shortcut. They burrowed through the vault.
The MO matches other hits across the city.
This must be how they're funding their cult. I have to stop this.
Gordon seems to agree.
The bat signal. I'll deal with any looters on my way.
See that?
The bat signal? Are you afraid?
Yeah, because the bat don't make arrests.
Remember?
Out here!
One rat fall! Another takes it! The King's truth will defeat you! The bat is flying!
Get ready for Wickham!
The rats are Gotham!
Get ready for Wickham!
Owner's down. Can't stand your crowd if you ain't standing. Secure the street. Guns are going to the roof. Nothing but the...
No one's watching their backs.
Don't tell me if this hurts.
Call Gordon. GCPD needs to get these guns off the street, and the owner needs medical attention. I'm going in.
My tail.
Take the rats in the gun store by surprise if I enter through a vent.
Welcome to Deadfall Zone. We put you to bed. Friendly fire.
Face to face, at last. Face to face. Fate's decided today's the day. So be it. Just finish me quick.
Deadshot. Another prisoner who's been off the grid.
Your safety's on. Your hand's shaking.
Shut up! I heard fighting outside.
Secure the... Shut up and focus! The guys out front will break your silence.
They're armed. I need to be smart about this.
He's trying to get away!
I'll take them apart one by one.